बच्चों, let's see the question here. A, statement 1 is true, 2 is true, 2 is correct explanation for 1. B, statement 1 is true, 2 is true, 2 is not a correct explanation for 1. C, statement 1 is true, 2 is false. D, 1 is false, 2 is false. Statement 1, first ionization energy of nitrogen is lower than oxygen because statement 2, across the period, effective nuclear charge decreases. Here, we will start our solution in this case. And we will start with key concept for this case. तो जैसा कि हम जानते हैं, across a period, the value of size decreases. This is due to the fact that effective nuclear charge, that is Z effective, increases because जो outermost shell होगा वो same ही होगा, only the number of electron will increase. Due to that, Z effective, that is effective nuclear charge, this will also increase, and as a result ionization energy की जो value होती है वो भी increase करती है because ionization energy inversely proportional होता size के और directly proportional होता effective nuclear charge के. So here, as we know that size of nitrogen, this is greater than oxygen, so according to that, value of first ionization energy of nitrogen should be less than that of oxygen, but this is not true because जो nitrogen होता है इसका जो outer shell का configuration होता है वो क्या होता है 2s2 2p3 और ऑक्सीजन की होती है 2s2 2p4. तो ये हम देख सकते हैं क्या है, हाफ फिल्ड स्टेबल कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है यहाँ पे. ओके, and due to the half-filled stable configuration, ionization energy for nitrogen will be greater than oxygen. That is, this will be the exception here. So, first ionization energy for nitrogen is greater than oxygen, reason being half-filled stable electronic configuration in case of nitrogen. तो इसका मतलब statement 1 that says first ionization energy of nitrogen is lower than oxygen, this is false here. Statement 2, across the period effective nuclear charge decreases, this is also false here because along a period we know effective nuclear charge increases because जो outer shell होगा वो constant होगा and effective nuclear charge increase करेगा. Hence statement 1 as well as statement 2 both are false. So D is the correct option in this case. I hope you understood the explanation. All the best.